Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by preparing both devices, enable developer options, and plug the phone to the PC with a quality USB-C cable. Once done, install the Samsung USB driver so the computer recognizes the phone. Make sure you have Adb platform tools extracted and a terminal opened in that folder. You will run commands directly. This first setup is critical. Without drivers or Adb in path, nothing will proceed. Now, leave the phone on and unlocked for the next step. You now bring the phone online to Adb, run Adb devices and look for device ID. If it shows unauthorized, watch the phone screen and accept the RSA key prompt. This authorizes debugging. Once authorized, Adb devices should show the device as connected. If nothing appears, restart the Adb server with a dbkill server and a db start server and replug the cable. This refreshes connections. Remember, authorization is a security step. Only accept known machines to avoid exposing your data. To complete, enable persistent Adb access by confirming USB debugging, and if required for low-level tasks, OEM unlock. For wireless use, run Adb TCPIP 5555, disconnect USB, then connect via Adb Connect phone IP 5555. This frees you from cables. If commands fail, set USB mode to file transfer, reboot both devices, and update drivers. These actions resolve most
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.